Good evening everyone, I am Lunhas Aizel and today I reflected on the most valuable lessons I learned in purposive communication. So, as an English major, this lesson connects deeply with my field English. Isn't just about grammar, literature, or composition. It's about using language purposefully. In purposive communication, I learned how to adapt tone, vocabulary, and structure depending on who I'm addressing. For example, when teaching students, I'll use simpler, engaging language, but when writing a research paper or professional correspondence, I'll use more formal and precise English. Understanding my audience allows me to communicate effectively in any context, whether it's academic writing, classroom teaching, or professional interaction. This skills is essential for future teachers like me because our job is all about bridging understanding. We don't just transmit knowledge, we translate complex ideas into language students can relate to through purposive communication. I've learned how to make my lessons clearer, my instructions more meaningful, and my interactions more empathic. In my future teaching career, this lesson will help me become not only a good communicator but also an effective educator. Knowing how to tailor communication for different learners ensures inclusivity and engagement in classroom. So, the most important takeaway from purposive communication is this. Communication becomes powerful only when it has purpose, clarity, and connection. Thank you for listening. This has been my reflection on how purposive communication shapes my growth as a future English teacher. Thank you all.